Pranay, I would like to ask the same question from you. You have also rated. Are you there, Pranay?
Yes, yes, I'm
Yeah.
here.
Pranay, you can see a difference in your coding skills and you have rated 4, which is very,
Yes,
very
yes.
good. But what additional things can we provide so that it comes to a 5?
Yeah, Kartik, yeah, I'm sorry. I don't know. The problem is that from the beginning of the class, I was
Mhm.
completely zero. Okay.
Okay,
And now, after joining the class, my confidence level is currently at 4. Okay.
got it.
Okay, now I can resolve the problem like linear search and like what Kartikeya already have done. I
Mhm.
the easy problem and quite medium problem I can be able to resolve. Okay, but
Right,
there are some problems I have cleared from the doubt clearing classes. But
right,
although I am facing to resolve some hard types of problem. Okay, so that is why I gave it 4. It's not your concern.
Mm-hmm.
All is okay from the class. Okay. And I think I can achieve like after some days I can be able to achieve some like there are many problem in the number system and the maths area and the linear search area which is very complicated. Okay.
Right.
So that types of problems still I couldn't be able to resolve, but I think when the all concepts are clear to me, some advanced concept, I think I will be able to do that, and at that time I will get myself like I'll give myself complete 5 points. It's not
Got it.
your concern. If anything will bothering me about the courses, I'll surely contact with you or Karthikeya.
Sure.
Yeah.
But Pranay, if
Yes. Yes. Yes.
you will face issues in solving
Mhm.
problems because all of them are new problem statements, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So
Yes. Yes.
questions to आने ही वाले हैं, but
हाँ हाँ
so mhm, ask more doubts.
हाँ
Okay.
हाँ वही.
So rather than seeing solutions, if you're stuck at one place, take a hint.
हम्म
Stuck at some other place then. Okay.
हम्म
Again, take a hint. So let's say right now in a hard problem, you have to take hints 3 or 4 times. Just taking an example, you
हम्म
would see after 2 weeks, number of hints would come down
हम्म
to 2. And slowly and gradually, you will grab that skill of problem solving. Okay.
Okay, okay.
And you will see
I
this difference.
Yeah,
But,
yeah. I will try to maintain that. Yeah, sure.
got it. Thank
Thanks
you
for
so
the
much,
advice.
Pranay. Thank you so much.